What if scientists in 2025 birthed the first extinct direwolves, pulling ancient DNA from the grave to rewrite extinction's finality? Buckle up, because today we're re-tackling if we can bring back the dead and the wild future of resurrection that blurs the line between gone, forever, and second chances. Hit that like if you're ready to defy the ultimate unknown. Let's face this square on. Death has always been humanity's unbreakable wall, a one-way ticket where cells shut down, memories fade, and loved ones slip away. But cracking resurrection isn't just chasing ghosts, it's about harnessing biology to pull life from the brink. Like rebooting a crashed computer with lost files intact. That pull feels raw because loss touches everyone, from sudden accidents claiming millions yearly to diseases erasing futures. Yet peaking at revival stirs hope laced with dread, personal as that empty chair at family dinners. Picture death as nature's strict editor, crossing out stories mid-sentence. But science whispers we might hit undo. A 2025 breakthrough saw engineered proteins boost cell rejuvenation 50-fold, turning aged cells youthful in labs, while another find flipped dying cells into regenerative powerhouses, healing wounds in mice and flies without a scar. Urgent. Absolutely, with populations aging and tech surging. Mastering this could mean outrunning grief, but mishandle it and we're toying with nature's balance, like unlocking a door without knowing what's behind. Recent buzz from biohackers debates if reviving extinct species paves the way for humans, with one thread noting private funds pouring billions into cryonics firms preserving bodies for future thaws. A fresh September report detailed pigeon cells edited to mimic ancient dodo traits, surviving long-term in cultures for the first time. Without probing this, we're blind to a revolution that could redefine forever, making every goodbye a maybe. Zooming into now, the chase to conquer death thrums with tales of daring minds battling the void, where labs become arenas of triumph and nail-biting tension. Meet Ben Lamb at Colossal Biosciences, whose team in April 2025 welcomed direwolf pups de-extinct. Miracles blending ancient DNA with modern surrogates, a saga starting with fossil hunts in permafrost that nearly froze funding until breakthroughs in gene editing turned the tide. Or the Retro Biosciences crew, hearts racing in August as AI redesigned proteins revived Yamanaka factors, those cell resetters boosting efficiency 50 times in tests that had skeptics eating words after initial models crashed. On X, semantic dives pull viral clips of frogtails regrowing via revived cells. One post from a biologist detailing a near miss when chemical tweaks went haywire but unlocked eye repair in mice. Humanize these warriors. Imagine Dr. Singh from a Singapore lab, her arc from doubting de-extinction to engineering bioluminescent pathways that whisper revival secrets. Her voice cracking in interviews about watching dead frog cells morph into thriving forms. Bizarre uncovers abound July. Find of anthrobots from human lung cells, tiny healers zipping to fix nerves without prompts, or an October glow captured as life fades in mice, hinting at a third state beyond death where cells gain superpowers. Tension peaks in yarns like Yale's 2022 pig revival. Extended in 2025 tweaks, restoring organ function hours post-mortem. A close shave when ethics boards nearly halted it, but yielded keys to transplant saves. These aren't cold experiments, they're firestorms of discovery, with Reddit threads exploding over AI agents simulating resurrections, converting casual viewers to evangelists one share at a time. Drop in the comments, would you freeze for a future Thor? Betting on science's gamble. Peering ahead, the vistas explode like a supernova, weaving wonder with watchful realism. Optimistically, we're barreling toward revival realms. AI simulations crunch petabytes of genomic data to model resurrections, like Michigan's setups predicting cell rebirth with chilling accuracy, potentially unlocking therapies that yank the dead from history's grip. This could mend extinctions or even human losses. Inspired by 20-20-5, single quotes as more revival plans, injecting edited cells into ostrich eggs for viable chicks. Imagine curing griefs, scars, or repopulating ecosystems. Drawing from Stanford agents, mimicking post-death states to test revival ethics. But skeptics fire back fairly. Meddling risks Frankenstein flops or overpopulation nightmares, as one X thread from ethicists cautions, echoing a quanta dive into quantum-like revival limits. Funding chasms gape, Yet a fresh NOIA-like bioreport from last month highlights prototypes birthing hybrid species, flipping doubts with successes in tail regrowth for frogs, grounded hunches tilt hybrid, bioprinted organs synced with AI to revive functions, while counterpoints flag soul loss, fears in soulless revivals. A 2025 arxiv on adaptive revival circuits changes the tune, showing shallow edits could resurrect traits in lifetimes, not eons. Its tech's keen edge, igniting progress but pleading prudence, cherishing nature's sly powers like cells' hidden rebirth codes. This isn't mere defiance, it's destiny, lacing resurrection's science into our collective climb. What if we yanked a loved one from death's clutch? Let's paint a daring, grounded epic, rooted in today's leaps. Envision 2050, biovisionary Lena, channeling Colossal's wolf births, helms a trial melding AI with neural transporters to resurrect the fallen. Her vignette flares in a throbbing hub, monitors swirled with models surpassing peers, grinding petabytes as she revives her sibling first, breath held amid the hum. Tension coils in the merger search spikes, phantom echoes, but Lena's arc soars from mourner to miracle worker, rerouting decayed cells to bloom anew without erasing essence. The woe thunders as the revived awakens, sharing lost tales, forging bonds unbroken by the grave, unleashing a wave of reunited souls, healing societal rifts. Shift to Dr. Aria, her confidant, plumbing revival depths via holographic genomes, unearthing glowing circuits defying ancient laws, murmuring eons of latent life. Doubters swarm streams, but petabyte proofs the shield. Embedded guardians preserve identity amid rebirth. Glory surges when Lena plants a resurrection grove, her journey from bereaved to beacon symbolizing humanity's victory. This outshines shallow spins. It's supreme, with models foretelling stable revivals in centuries. Energy from reclaimed lives fueling boundless thrive. The abyss of finality stares back, but we stare bolder, unlocking depths untold in our essence. This quest mirrors our timeless rhythm's curiosity, stoking survival, progress from death's forge. It reshaped my vista. Loss isn't end, but echo for renewal. Smash subscribe for more dives into the impossible. Comment your wildest theory below, and share this with your adventure squad, because eternity's calling, and who knows what answers you'll uncover next.